Hello my colleagues, in today's video we are going to be taking a look at my top 3 savings accounts to have in Nigeria to make money from. You see, with the way inflation is rising in Nigeria, one of the days when you just save money in your account without at least earning some little money from these savings. And that's why I thought it wise to share some places that you can actually save your money and be sure that you'll be earning small something with this your savings. By the way, here on my channel I make videos in regards to finance, and if this is something you find interesting, do well to smash the like button, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and there's also going to be a link in the description and comment section you can use to join my exclusive email newsletter where I share and document my journey investing in Nigeria and also share some other opportunities people are leveraging to make some money from. Do well to join the email newsletter, and without much talk, let's jump right into today's video. Let's go. The first savings platform on my list is OPay. As many of you know, OPay is a platform for sending and receiving and even saving money right here in Nigeria. But aside from that, they have a cool feature in the app called OWealth. OWealth allows you to save and invest your money all in one convenient place. With OWealth, you can earn up to 15% annual interest on your savings, much higher than that of most Nigerian banks. This means that the little money you are saving can work for you and help you, achieve your financial goals much more faster. So let me say, for example, you are saving for a dream vacation or for your next year's rent. OWealth allows you to earn interest in these your savings, which is actually nice, because let me say my rent next year is 500,000 naira and I earning this year, maybe in January, and I locked it out in my OWealth. It means by the end of the year, ahead of next year rent, I have my 500,000 naira and also have like around 15% interest on this 500,000 naira. I find it quite interesting, rather than just saving it in an average Nigerian bank and not really earning much interest or lower interest on this money. One thing that caught my attention with OWealth is that their interest is paid on a daily basis, which is nice, which is wonderful. Waking up in the morning and receiving an alert, it's very nice. To get started with OWealth, simply use my link in the comment section or description to download the OPay application. You sign up, then proceed to do your KYC by submitting your BVN and NEPA bill. This is actually pretty straightforward. Now, to get started with OWealth, you click on this button that says OWealth on your home page once you're logged into the OPay application. You can see my account, I have just 3,000 naira. So you're going to see something interesting. So you click on the OWealth button. Let me unlock this. Then my OWealth, you see I have 3,800 naira. Now notice here that says transaction. You can see every day I'm earning 1.3 naira, 1 naira 30 kobo for this 3,000 naira you see here. But let's view the whole transaction so you notice something. So as you scroll, you see that at a point I earned 3 naira 44 kobo. I think I've ended up to 36 naira. As you can see here, I've ended up to 36 naira on this my OWealth, and I've gotten as high as 41 naira on my OWealth application. Now the interesting thing is, let me say I am not really using my OPay account to do some daily transactional purchase and all that, and I just left the money here. You see that every day I'll be earning 41 naira if the amount that will give me this 41 naira interest per day is here. You see that every day I'll be earning 41 naira. Let me just click on it for us to see. You can see that 100,000 naira at 15% per annum. You see that every day I'm earning 41 naira, my 18 kobo in interest. If a certain amount of money, maybe I think it's going to be up to, you need to put up to 100,000 naira per day from my OPay. Now the interesting thing I found about this is that it's not been leaving my money or the money I'm going to be using next year maybe to pay rent in my bank account and not really be receiving any money. I'm getting debit for account maintenance. I rather leave it here in my OPay and know that by the end of the year my 500,000 naira could give me good interest and I could pay my rent and still have some little money to use and have fun or buy something and drink, for at least saving the money and being disciplined. So that's the good thing about using OPay's OWealth to save money. That's a good thing about it. Once you have done this, on the home page you'll see a place that says OWealth. Simply click on it, click on the button that says save, impute the amount, and then you're ready to start receiving interest from your savings on OWealth. Next up we have Piggyvest. Piggyvest is actually one of my favorite savings app, being that it gives me the opportunity to lock up funds that I want to use to do something later while paying me an upfront interest amount. The interest that they usually pay is quite high, ranging from 12% to 17% per annum. Another cool thing about Piggyvest is that you can invest in other investment related opportunities that are vetted and have your money work for you. To get started with Piggyvest savings, you can simply use my link in the description or comment section to download the app. Proceed in signing up and doing your KYC, which also involves you just like OPay in submitting your NEPA bill and BVN. So once you have done your KYC and all that on the Piggyvest application, you'll be welcome to this home page here. To get started with your savings, you can click on this place that says under your phone application. There's a place that says Home Savings Invest Account. Click on the one that says Savings. So once you click on it, you click on the one you click on this button that has like a cross with a blue circle on it. Click on it. So once you click on it, put in the number of days you want to save. So let me say today is 8th of June. That's when I'm shooting this video, and my house rent is going to be around the same date, maybe on the 8th of June as well. That's when I'm going to be paying my next rent, and I want to save and earn interest and save this money I'm going to be using to pay my rent and also earn some interest on it. So what I want to then do is to click on the button that says 271 to 365 days. So you click on it. So once you click on it, you're going to open this page where you put in the amount you want to lock. So let me say my rent is 500,000 naira. So I put it in 500,000 naira. Then I type in my house rent here. That says title of the safe lock, my house rent. And then I click on the payback date. Now in this place I'll just put in 365 days. That's when I want to lock it out. And you can see that there's a place that says below it 15.5%. That's my return of my savings, return on investment, but that's the interest I'm going to earn. And then it's going to be opened back on the 8th of July 2025. So I click on it and say okay, select it. And once I've selected it, they will now tell me select a funding source. So if I have money in my piggy bank up to 500k, I'll put it in. If I have money in my debit card, I'll click on debit card and then click on the button that says preview safe lock. Click on it. Once I click on it, it's going to take me to a place where I now need to put in my details. So I just say authorize, then it tells me how much to lock 500k. It tells me the interest and tell me the interest I'm going to earn. You can see in the place that says interest, I'm going to earn 77,562.50 naira, which is not bad. And then it tells me the lock duration, 365 days. Tells me that this is where the money is going to be paid into, matures into your piggy flex, and then the maturity date is the 8th of July 2025. So I'm okay with everything is fine. And I click on safe lock and I put in my piggy bank pin, and then it's going to be created for me. Then I put in my piggy bank pin, and then it's going to take me to my debit card. It's going to either debit if my debit card is already saved on Piggyvest, it's going to debit me, or if it is not saved, I have to now put in my bank details and then it debits my card. That's how to safe lock and earn interest from your savings on the Piggyvest application. The third savings application you want to use and make your money work for you is the Cowrywise application. Cowrywise allows you to save money on your own terms with just one account. Now the good thing about this just one account is that you can save in multiple different ways and earn up to 18% interest. The first way you can save on the Cowrywise application is through the normal regular savings, and when you save up to a minimum of 3 months, you will be rewarded for your discipline with juicy returns. You know what I mean by juicy returns. The second way is money grow. This is like a long-term savings, usually for couples. There are no lock-up periods for this, and there is a proper accounting and transparency of your funds. Another way to save on Cowrywise is using the savings circle. This particular option allows you to set targets and save together with other people to meet the targets that you have set. Personally, I love this feature because I am a Manchester United fan, and on Cowrywise they have created a circle for us that are Manchester United fans where we can save money for every one goal scored by Manchester United during the Premier League season and when season resumes. So guys, these are some of the applications I use when it comes to savings and making money. If there are any other apps you personally use and you can recommend, please comment about the app in the comment section and why you like it. If you enjoyed this video, leave a comment, smash the like button, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and don't forget to join my email newsletter as well. I have another video where I share my top investment ideas for passive income. You might find that particular video helpful as well. I'll see you on the next one. Deal.